Welcome to All Motors Brands, your #1 destination for detailed reviews, specs, and features of iconic machines from air, land, and sea. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and mysterious stealth fighters ever created, the Northrop YF-23. A competitor to the F-22 Raptor in the U.S. Air Force's Advanced Tactical Fighter program, the YF-23 still holds a legendary status in aviation history despite never going into full production. The YF-23 was built with a clear focus on stealth, speed, and futuristic design. With only 2 prototypes ever produced, this aircraft was shrouded in secrecy for years. Its smooth, blended body and diamond-shaped wings gave it a unique, predatory look that earned it the unofficial nicknames Black Widow II and Grey Ghost. Powered by 2 engines, one version used Pratt & Whitney YF-119 engines and the other used General Electric YF-120 engines. These gave the YF-23 super cruise capability, allowing it to fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. One of the most notable features of the YF-23 was its stealth performance. It had a lower radar cross-section than its rival, the YF-22, due to its design lacking vertical tail fins and utilizing inward-canted V-tails instead. This unique configuration helped reduce radar visibility and infrared signatures. The aircraft also featured internal weapons bays, which further helped minimize radar detection. In terms of performance, the YF-23 could reach speeds of over Mach 2 and had an operational ceiling above 65,000 feet. It was incredibly agile for its size, though it sacrificed some maneuverability for stealth, unlike the F-22 which leaned more toward agility. The avionics suite in the YF-23 was advanced for its time, with radar-absorbent materials and cutting-edge computer systems designed to give the pilot full situational awareness and target tracking capabilities. Though the YF-23 was not selected for production, many experts still believe it was ahead of its time and superior in stealth. The experience gained from developing this aircraft influenced later designs, including unmanned stealth drones and next-gen fighters. To this day, the YF-23 remains a symbol of what could have been and continues to spark debates among aviation enthusiasts. If you love deep dives into revolutionary aircraft and want more exclusive reviews like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is All Motors Brands, bringing you the power, speed, and tech of machines that changed history.